Hi everybody, it's Farmer John, and I got some things to think about. Just think about it. Well, I'm out here fishing, and I caught one sheephead so far, but one of my friends suggested that I do a little video of me fishing, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll be back when I catch a fish. Hopefully it's not a sheephead. All right, caught a fish. It's another sheephead. I don't think I'm in the right spot, people. These are some crappy old fish, but didn't get skunked today. Let's keep going. Well, that didn't go well, so I'm moving. I don't know if you can, oh, look at that. You can see that clump of hearts and anchors and things. It's a friend of mine's spots where he's caught fish. I'm going over to there. I'm using my trolling motor to guide me. I'm going 2.8 miles an hour. I'm just about there. And let's go this way a little bit. Yeah. And I anchored. So I hit this button on there. It's an anchor. And it allows me to just stop the boat and basically park it. Anyway, hope this spot's better. Well, that was it. That was all my action. I'm gonna head in. I was out here for about 2 hours. I caught 2 sheepheads, and that's it. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video of the beautiful lake, because there wasn't any fishing action going on. Anyway, I hope I see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe, and of course comment on the video. Coming in the dock. It's very calm today, so I shouldn't have too much trouble. Sometimes I bank the sides, but it's always down on the pontoon, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm gonna drift on in. Should be pretty good. Doesn't look like I'm gonna hit anything. Okay, so my buddy Mike suggested that I give you a tour of the boat while I'm, this right here is my electronic lift. So it's solar powered with a battery. This is a live well up in the front corner. We use that for, well, we're not using it for anything right now. Sometimes there's storage. This one's another live well, and that one's definitely storage. We're using our buoys. Those are the poles. And that's the trolling motor. This was a fishing pontoon, so it was built for a trolling motor up there. Coming back, we have a nice lounging seat. That's the cover. Worms and butter worms. And there's the captain's seat. Over here, we're gonna turn off the electric power, main electric, and then the cabin electric. Grab the key so that I don't forget it. Oops, sorry. I put this little contraption up, suction cups on the side, That's where I store the fishing poles. And then this is actually the fishing area, but Kim fishes in that seat up there. She doesn't like to be cramped back here. And then this is a fishing, and this is another live well. And underneath that, there's storage. This is the live well we actually use if we catch any fish, and then I have a 115 Mercury motor. Got a ladder to get back on. There's your tour of the boat.